ninth chapter, hyperbolic function. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 4. Last part completed impounded repeated problem in IP examination 2 marks completed. Today class explained some more problems. What is that first problem? Prove that cos hx minus sin hx whole power n is equal to cos h of nx minus sin h of nx. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? In this LHS part, cos hx minus sin hx whole power n. We know that sin hx formula. We know that sin hx by the definition of the hyperbolic function e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Cos hx also we know e power x plus e power minus x by 2. You can use these two formulas in this problem. That's why you can get cos hx value is what here? E power x plus e power minus x by 2 minus sin hx value is what here? E power x minus e power minus x by 2 whole power n. Take LCM students here. Take LCM to e power x plus e power minus x minus e power x minus into minus plus e power minus x whole power n. Here e power x get cancelled by because plus is minus e power minus x you can get 2 e power minus x by 2 whole power n. 2 get cancelled. You can write e power minus x whole power n. You can write a power m whole power n formula a power m into e power minus nx. LHS part is completed. After that, we have to write RHS part. What is that RHS part? Cos h of nx minus sin h of nx. See students, first we can write sin hx cos hx formula in this LHS part. You get answer. Similarly, we have to take RHS. In this RHS, cos h of in terms of x you can write nx. Here also be nx. In this formula you can write in place of x nx e power nx minus e power minus nx whole by 2 minus sin h of nx value is here cos hx plus is the e power nx minus e power minus nx by 2. This is a cos h of nx value. This is a sin h of nx value. We don't know cos h of nx value, but you know cos h of x. That x you can write nx. That's why here take LCM. LCM is 2 e power nx plus e power minus nx minus of minus e power nx plus e power minus nx. Here e power nx plus minus both are cancelled, remaining 2 into e power minus nx by 2 get cancelled, e power minus nx. This is the RHS value. What is the LHS value? E power minus nx. What is the RHS value? E power minus nx. Both are equal. That's why you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Then cos hx minus sin hx whole power n equal to cos h of nx minus sin h of nx. This is also be important 2 marks problem. Next one is prove that cos h power 4x minus sin h power 4x is equal to cos h of 2x. In this problem, you have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? Cos h power 4x minus sin h power 4x. Sin cos h power 4x minus sin h power 4x equal to what here? What here? You can write this one is cos h square x whole square minus sin h square x whole square. Correct or not, students? Cos h power 4x, you can write cos h square x whole square. Correct or not? That is correct one. This is a, this one is b, a square minus b square formula. What is that formula? A plus b. Cos h square x plus sin h square x, a plus b into cos h square x minus sin h square x by the formula of cos h of 2x. What is the formula of cos h of 2x? In terms of cos and sin. Cos h square x plus sin h square x. Similarly, what is the first identity? Cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. You can use these two formulas here. You can write in place of this one is cos h of 2x In place of this one is you can write 1. 1 into cos h of x, you can write cos h of x. This is the RHS what? Correct or not, students? What is RHS what? Cos h of 2x. If cos h of x is equal to secant theta, then prove that tan h square of x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is tan h square of x by 2. In this LHS part, you can write tan square nothing but sin h square of x by 2 by cos h square of x by 2. By the formula of the cos h of 2x, cos h of 2x, what is the formula of the cos h of 2x in terms of sin? 1 plus 2 sin h square x by 2. Here you can write only x. Similarly, you can write 2 sin h square x by 2 equal to cos, here cos hx minus 1. Similarly, cos h of x equal to in terms of sin cos 2 cos h square x by 2 minus 1. That's why you can write 2 cos h square x by 2 equal to, you can write which one? 1 plus cos h of x or cos h of x plus 1, you can write any one. This one is the formulas. Here, this one is multiplying and dividing, both numerator and denominator multiplied with 2. 2 sin h square x by 2, you can write cos hx minus 1 whole by 2 cos h square x by 2, you can write 1 plus cos hx, 1 plus cos hx. You know that cos hx value. What is the value of cos hx? Cos hx value is secant theta. Thus you can write secant theta minus 1 by 1 plus secant theta. You can write secant theta nothing but 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1 whole by 1 plus 1 by cos theta, you can write divided 1. In this two term, cos theta into 1 LCM is what here? Cos theta LCM, you can write 1 minus cos theta. Similarly, denominator also be LCM cos theta 1 LCM cos theta, you can write cos theta plus 1. Cos theta get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta by, you can write cos theta plus 1 or 1 plus cos theta, you can write any one. By the trigonometry ratios, 1 minus cos theta formula is there. What is that formula? 2 sin square theta by 2 formula is there. 1 plus cos theta formula also be there. 2 cos square theta by 2. These two formulas substituted in this place. 1 minus cos theta, you can write 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, you can write 2 cos square theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Sin square by cos square. Sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2. Sin square by cos square, you can write tan square theta by 2. This is the RHS part. Correct or not, student? Check. What is the RHS part? Tan square theta by 2. In this way, you can solve this problem by using especially formulas of the cos h of 2x and cos 2 theta. Cos hx by 1 minus tan hx plus sin hx by 1 minus cot hx is equal to sin hx plus cos hx. First you have to take LHS part. In this LHS part, what is that? Cos h of x by 1 minus tan hx plus sin hx by 1 minus cot hx. Here we can write tan hx nothing but sin by cos. That's why we can write cos hx by 1 minus sin hx by cos hx plus sin hx by 1 minus cot nothing but cos by sin. Cos hx by sin hx. See students, denominator we have to take LCM. What is that LCM? Cos hx is the LCM. You can write cos hx minus sin hx plus sin hx by, here also be denominator, sin hx is the LCM. You can write sin hx minus cos hx. After that, you can find this cos hx goes to numerator, this is also it goes to numerator. You get what, students? Cos hx into cos hx square x by, here cos hx minus sin hx is z. Cos hx into cos x, cos hx square x. Plus here also be sin hx into sin hx. You can write sin h square x by sin hx minus cos hx. Sin hx minus cos hx. See students, in this two term you can common minus. You get what? Cos h square x by cos hx minus sin hx are similar, plus sin h square x whole by, in this two term minus common, you get cos hx minus sin hx. After that, plus into minus, you can write minus cos h square x by cos hx minus sin hx minus, plus into minus minus sin h square x by cos hx minus sin hx. See students, in this two term denominator can be common, that's why you can write LCM. Cos hx minus sin hx is LCM. You can write cos h square x minus sin h square x. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Suppose you have to take a value cos hx, a square, b value sin hx, b square. A square minus b square formula what? A plus b. Cos hx plus sin hx, a plus b into cos hx minus sin hx whole by cos hx minus sin hx. Here cos hx minus sin hx, cos hx minus sin hx get cancelled. Here you can write a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. These two are cancelled. You get cos hx plus sin hx. This is the RHS part. Correct or not, students? Sin hx plus cos hx or cos hx into sin hx. Anyone, a plus b or b plus c both are equal. In this way, you can do that. This model problem. Assignment problems or homework problem is cos hx plus sin hx whole power n is equal to cos h of nx plus sin h of nx. In this model problem completed first problem, just here in place of plus minus is there. That's why you can write here. You are using two formulas. One is cos h of x formula, e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Sin h of x formula is there, that is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. These two formulas substituted. First we have to do LHS part, after that we have to take RHS part. Substituted these two formulas, you get the LHS equal to RHS. In this model you can do that homework problem.